Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about Laplace equation in polar coordinates. Okay. In the last class we discussed about the procedure to solve the Laplace equation here. Okay. Now this, if you take x is equal to r cos theta and the y is equal to r sin theta, then the Laplace equation will transform into this operator. Okay. In this, three terms are there. One is d by dr square plus 1 by r, 1 d by dr plus 1 by r square, d by d theta square. Okay. To solve this, let's take variable separation of variables form. This is the r part and this is the theta part. If we substitute in that given operator, we will get this equation, and we will take lambda is equal to minus 5 part uh, theta part dash square by theta. We will solve this angle part one side and radius part on the side. If you see the angle part, this is the same as the Fourier series fifth type. Then we will get three solutions. One is zero eigenvalue solution, and this is the cos solution, and one is sine solution. Next, for the r part, if you were to substitute x is equal to r part as x is equal x power m, then we will get m is equal to plus or minus root m. This is the four types of solutions for this. So the product that is y, the solution of the Laplace equation in polar coordinates, is the span of these terms where n is greater than 1. We have many infinite terms. For infinite values of n, we should take the scalar linear combination of the above terms. If you take r is equal to if you take this should be as finite value, then we can ignore this and this, because at r it is equal to 0, this is tends to infinity, this is tends to infinity, we can ignore this. So we can take 1, 2, 3 values. If and only if this should be finite at r is equal to 0, then we can find this an and bn by using this. If we substitute r is equal to 1, we get f of theta. So we can find f of a naught and an and bn by finding the Fourier series coefficients of f of theta. Okay. Next, let's see if it can be infinite, and there are two boundary conditions given. One at r is equal to 1, the we get cos theta, and the ur is at r is equal to 2, then it is sine 2 theta. Okay. From these terms, let's take all terms. We will get this is the equation solution, general solution. Let's apply the boundary conditions. R is equal to 1, we get this equation. If we compare the coefficients, we will get coefficients a is equal to 0, and these two equations. Applying the second boundary condition, in that for n is equal to 1, we solve these equations to get the coefficients of this polynomial, are part of the polynomial, and the solution is given here. Okay. This is the procedure to find the solve the Laplace equations in polar coordinates. We can use, if one more variable t is given, then also we can use this variable separation of variables method to find the solution of the equation.